Cuddy. I'm sorry, I made a bobo. I must have like clicked something and then it got all crazy. Hey, I can't chat in Periscope. Had limited chat. See if it works now. It was special indeed. It was nice for a second, I guess. That was kind of rude of me. Hi, Jess. Can everybody type now? It's a big bobo. That's a bow wow. I saw you. I see you so far away on Twitch. About time. I'm sorry, cunty McShitballs. I'm so rude. I am very rude. I was just trying to I'm just trying to be me, y'all. And here comes Aries. Sorry, Aries, that I did that earlier. A bit 5 of 10 ducks. Hi, Hyper. Thank you for being patient. I haven't unfriended nobody. I swear to God. Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Exactly what I was doing because when I dropped the phone the first time, I was like, hey, it looks right.
Well, there's Joe
Go live.
and Dante,
Hi, Joey.
Kyla.
Follow Joey, though. That's some bullshit. I'm going to click his name. I swear to God, I've never followed. I follow and miss, guys. I don't sit there afterwards and eat. I don't know why people unfollow. So I've never done
it to other people. Unfollowed you, and yeah, I think it's a glitch.
Thoughts. Oh, you guys suck. If not, I'm sleep blocking people. You know.
You call in. I want to call in. I want to hear his.
You've never heard Dante speak? Justin laughing over there.
Brother. I feel like not as fast as other times.
I should tell you unfollowed me. Yeah, you should tell me if I unfollowed you supposedly. 33, there's no hearts, there's no comments.
Just the way you said it, just you.
So tell me something interesting. What any interesting
this week? Let's see. This week. No. I'm a California person, and officially that we might. I'm kind of sad about that. So that I want to leave California, but with breast cancer last closer to her, and so yeah. But other than that, it's gonna happen by the end.
GoFundMe's or anything needed to help her out in this, please let me know so I can broadcast it wherever I can.
You know what the great thing about he worked till the last, like his everything, all her chemo, 100%. And it, but my dad worked so hard for all those great benefits.
Of course, positive figure and caretaker is writing down there. I'm sure there are because my comments have been frozen. But I hope the best and a quick. I know like a move is not easy, but there's nothing like being close to your family. I'm sure you know that.
I had to talk. We need to be closer to them. That's where they chose to go, Albuquerque. Us to move over there for the longest, but when closer to them. So hey, I'll be closer to Texas.
Welcome to come visit anytime you want.
That's my only thing that I said and be close to here, but kind of hard.
No.
Yeah, I know.